Dude, this is Eat on the 2205, and I just got my brick arms package, so my minifigs look a lot better. And I built a higgins boat. So here are the guys that have new brick arm stuff. So I got a Brody helmet. No, come on. And it goes on this guy. He's the cannon loader for the Higgins boat. Come back. And this guy has two new things. He has a new M1 pot helmet, and he has an M1 carbine. And this guy, I know isn't like that accurate because he's on an American boat, but he's got the white helmet, the white Nazi helmet, and the white in the MG42. The Stahlhelm helmet thing, I don't know how you say it. And this guy right here, the only difference between him and the other guy is he has an M1 Grand instead of a M1 carbine. And this guy didn't change that much, just has a PPSH something, 41. And then this is my freebie gun. By the way, this is my commander, sort of, like lieutenant, I guess. Here's the camo freebie. It's camo, and I don't know what the gun's called, but it's cool, pretty cool. Take all the minifigs out in the harbor middle part. Now I know this isn't like color coordinated, but it's my Higgins boat. Pretty wide on the inside. And so I guess we'll start back to front. We got the cannon right here. That's the ammo, these 3 bars. This stuff right here is so he doesn't get hit like by bullets when by the MG42s when he's loading the gun. And then that right here, sorry, this is the best camera in the world, is the round that is loading into the cannon. And the cannon's really actually simple to make. If you want me to show you a video on how to make it, just send me a message or put a comment in the box right there, wherever it is. And yeah, it's just a Star Wars cannon. It's a Star Wars cannon, but it's pretty fun to make. And right here is the opening. Got the walls. And that's the machine gun I told you about, because I know like they have 2, and there's, this is hard. There's the guy, there's the white Stahlhelm helmet in the MG42, and he shoots at the people from the boat. And I'll show you how to make the chair too. And last but not least, the driver. There, driver. He's a Japanese guy because I don't have anything else right now. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys on that when I have something. And basically, it's really easy to make. It's just 2 slanted pieces, 2 or 3 bricks depending on the height of your wall. 2x2 bricks depending on the height of your wall. And then just a little surrounding spot. I'll pick them up later. So, ow. Yeah, that was my Higgins boat, and I hope you liked it. And if I make some other stuff, I'll show you. But for now, this is sort of my only World War II thing. I have one more, but it's not really that good. Alright, he's making me that. So this is you don't want to do a 5, and remember, if you want me to show you how to make the cannon and the machine gun chair, shoot me a comment or a message. And this is 205 signing off.